Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. So again, if you're new here, please subscribe, please ring the bell so you get notified, please share our content, please help us grow, we really appreciate it. This is another request from one of our viewers, trying to get a few of those knocked out. Also, probably the best way, just so I don't miss them, you can also email me, support@pathtradingpartners.com, and if you want me to look at a stock, you think there's something we should look at or analyze, or with any other comments, you can put them in the comments on YouTube, but if you email them, I'll be sure to also see them again and get it reinforced. Shopify, Shopify, sloppy double top formed here, okay? Which gave us the targets 932.18, stop reduction, first profit target 911.12, then 890.05. It has gone through that 911.12, so worst case on any remaining position, stop at break even. And you see it's now formed a potential double bottom. Now, the rotation zone on the 4 hours is now negative, so it has to get above that rotation zone to get back to neutral before we get the first cross. 979.99. If we get a close above there, it triggers this sloppy double bottom, which then we're looking at 1,018.22, 1,037.34, 1,056.45 to the upside, but that's only on a close above 979.99. First level resistance, you see this little support shelf right there, about 946. Next area, I wouldn't even bother looking, because if we start rallying, you're going to find some minor, maybe 965. I'd really be focused on this 970 to 980 level. That's what I'd be focused on any rally. If it does rotate back down on Monday, below 911.12, final target for the double is 890.05, and the 25% retracement from this run-up is 881. So major support, 881 to 890.05, and you see this other little support shelf. So that's on any downside targets. So let's say you're just trading this from the long side. If it got down here beginning of next week, I'd start watching for a potential reversal pattern. Checking on that daily chart, you see now it's closed below. It came down, tested the rotation zone, closing in the rotation zone, closing in the rotation zone, finally closing below it. So now it's definitely gone to neutral from bullish on the daily. Okay. It would have to get a close back in the rotation zone to go to neutral, and then a close above the rotation zone to go to bullish mode on the daily. If we did break below 881, then I'm watching the 50-period exponential about 842 on the daily. Other than that, all the levels stay in place. If we had a strong rally, just in case I don't update this soon for some reason, if we did recover and rally up again here, your next major levels, you can do a reverse scan box, by the way, like I showed you. Watch the square video to see how to do a reverse scan box. The major levels, though, are 1170 and 1266.27. Also note, it is oversold now on the daily. Doesn't mean it can't get more oversold. Weekly, see here. So this pulled away from the rotation zone. This is also what I was talking about with square reconnecting. This drifted sideways, and then the rotation zone pulling back and sideways drift. Rotation zone caught up, pulled away. Now it's starting to reconnect. So if it just keeps pausing next week, the rotation zone should start reconnecting. If it sells off a little, especially down to these 881 to 890, then it will have definitely reconnected and reset the rotation zone pattern on the weekly. Bigger sell-off bottom of the rotation zone if something catastrophic were to happen with either shop or the market, 730 area. So we have for you on Shopify, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.